Bismillah, walhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullah, my dear brother and sister. May peace and blessing of Allah be upon you all. I am Ziad Ahmed Saud from Islamic aspect. This video is about some scientific secrets about Sura Al Ikhlas, which will astonish you, Sha Allah. And after watching this video, inshallah, your iman, that is your faith, will further level up. So keep watching the video till the end, and you will get a bonus at the end of the video. Surah Al Ikhlas is 112th number surah of Al Quran. Allah says, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qul huwallahu ahad, Allahu samad, lam yalid wa lam yulad, وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ كُفُوًا أَحَدٌ. Say, He is Almighty, who is one, Allah the eternal refuge. He neither begets nor is born, nor is there to Him any equivalent. Now, let's see the scientific secrets. If you see the whole surah, you will find only one Z. You know Z? It's an Arabic sign given below the word Z. So, in Surah Al Ikhlas, the only Z is below the word Yalid. And if you look before the word Yalid, there is 23 letters. And if you look after the word Yalid, there are also 23 letters. So we can see that there are 46 letters. Now, what is the secret in these letters? The secret is, let me tell you, in every cell of human, there are 23 pairs of chromosomes. That means 46 chromosomes. And these chromosomes play a vital role in the birth of human being, continuation of human being. Subhanallah, can you imagine? Quran has so deep meaning of such a small surah. May Allah give us knowledge to understand Al-Quran. It's only starting. Keep watching for more surprise. But if you want me to make more of this kind of video, or if you have any kind of suggestion, please comment below. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Now, I was talking about 23 pairs of chromosomes. So, from this single Z below the word Yalid and 23 letter, what we get? We understand Allah doesn't have any kind of connections with those 23 pairs. Allah is the one and the most high. Allah said in the Holy Quran in Surah Al Yasin, chapter number 36 and ayat number 2. وَالْقُرْآنِ الْحَكِيمِ, by the wise Quran. And Allah further said in Surah Al-Baqarah chapter number 2 verse number 23, and if you all are in doubt about what I have revealed to my servant, bring a single chapter like it, all call you witness beside Allah if you are truthful. Subhanallah, Allah keeps so many secrets in Quran so beautifully. Now, let us look at another scientific secret of Surah Al Ikhlas. Are you interested? Show some love, like the video and subscribe our channel. Now, I was talking about another scientific secret. Okay, look, if you look at the word Yalid, you will find that before the word Yalid, there are 7 words. And after the word Yalid, there are also 7 words. So what is mean by this combination? Okay, first let us see what are those 7 words. Before the word Yalid, you will find Kul, Hu, Allah, Ahad, Allah, As-Samad, and Lam. And after the word Yalid, you will also find 7 words. Those are Walam, Yulad, Walam, Yakun, Lahu, Kufuwan, Ahad. So there are 7 words before the word Yalid, and after the word Yalid, there are also 7 words. Now, what is the secret in this 7-word combination? Can you guess something? Okay, let us know your opinion by commenting below. Okay, let me tell you the secret now. You know, human birth are associated with 7 things or 7 steps. Okay, let me tell you those steps. The first thing is, humans are made of soil. Allah Azza wa Jal said in Quran in Surah Al-Mu'minun chapter number 23 and verse number 12. And certainly did we create man from an extract of clay. Now, modern science has proved it. Our body contains all those elements of soils. That is, our body have oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, calcium, phosphorus, potassium, sulfur, sodium, chlorine, and magnesium, and so on. Allahu Akbar. Now let's go to steps number 2. Allah created us from sperm and ovum. In Quran, Allah referred it as nutfah. Allah said, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Inna khalaqnal insana min nutfatin mashaj. In Sura Al Insan, chapter number 76 and verse number 2, Allah said it, that indeed we created man from sperm drop mixtures. Now, what is the steps 3? The steps 3 is, then we transformed into zygote. Allah said it in Quran, in Sura Al chapter number 96, ayat number 2. Khalaqal insana min alaq. Created man from a clinging substance. Now, let's see the steps number 4. Then we transformed. Then the zygote is transformed into embryo. Quran referred it as mudghah. Allah said in Surah Al-Mu'minun, chapter number 23, verse number 14. فَخَلَقْنَا الْعَلَقَةَ مُدْغَةً. Now, zygote is transformed into mudghah. Now, let's go to step number 5. In the same ayat of chapter number 23, Surah Al-Mu'minun, verse number 14, Allah said, فَخَلَقْنَا الْمُدْغَةَ عِظَامًا. And we made from the lump bones. Means in this stage number 5, bones are formed. Now, let's go to step number 6. Allah said in Surah Al-Mu'minun, chapter number 23, verse number 14, فَكَسَوْنَا الْعِظَامَ لَحْمًا. And we covered the bones with flesh. And science also prove it, brother and sister. Now, the final steps. Step number 7. We are created as complete human beings. Subhanallah. And from these final steps, Allah further say in Surah Al-Mu'minun, chapter number 23, verse number 14. ثُمَّ أَنشَأْنَاهُ خَلَقًا آخَرَ. Then we developed him into another creation. So, my brother and sister, from Sura Al Ikhlas, we came to know these big hidden scientific secrets. Allahu Akbar. So, can you imagine how greatest our Lord is? Allah Azza wa Jal keeps so many secrets in a small surah like Sura Al Ikhlas. It's beyond our imagination. It's only the start of knowing. In future, maybe we'll know more about Al Quran, more about Sura Al Ikhlas and other surah. And Allah Azza wa Jal know the best. At the very beginning of the video, I have told you that I will give you a extra bonus. Now it's a bonus time. The treasure of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Our beloved Prophet Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam said about Sura Al Ikhlas in Sahih Al Bukhari, volume number 6, book of virtue of the Quran, Hadith number 533. Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, by him in whose hand my life is, this surah is equal to 1/3 of Al Quran. Subhanallah. So my brother and sister, we should recite this surah more and more to earn nearness of Allah, so that Allah love us and we fall in love with Allah more and more. May Allah give us tawfiq to read and understand Al-Quran. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below, inshallah. Click the bell and turn on the notification. And also share the video with your family members and friends. Sadaqallahul Azim wa sadaqa Rasuluhun Nabiyil Kareem. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. My brother and sister, see you in the next video. Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullah.